So basically you need to do on-page SEO, but Google is not rewarding you the same way as it used to with rich snippets, etc. No, that has nothing to do with it. Rich snippets is based upon structured data, or if the page is just optimized well, structured well. Without schema is how you influence structured or rich snippets, right? That's what structured data and schema was originally for, right? It was for search engines and to describe to search engines what the page was about. Remember, AI models, language models don't work like search engines do, guys. So stop thinking about AI models and search engines as being the same. They're not. The way that they retrieve information is different. Google returns pages, right? Models return sections, chunks, right, that are relevant to the query. Google returns pages, right? And so the structured data was a language that was developed to tell the search engines what the page was about in a language that they understand, because the page is written for humans to understand, right? So we mark up the elements with structured data to then tell the models, or excuse me, the algorithms, the search engines, what the page is about. And that can produce, because it's structured data, a rich snippet. By the way, rich snippets can still be produced even if structured data isn't present on the page, if the page is just formatted and structured well. Again, when I say structured well, meaning formatted well, with code is clean, etc. That's what I mean, because you can see that all the time where you'll see rich snippets. So that's not the same. We're kind of talking about two different things here, if that makes sense. Structured data does not influence AI search visibility, in my opinion, either. I really don't think so. Well, it does, because I just read an article recently. I know we got to go. I read an article recently, and there's kind of two camps about whether structured data is effective for AI search visibility or not. There's those that say it is and those that say it doesn't. I wasn't sure for a long time, but I kind of heard an opinion from the other camp that really stuck with me, and that is the language models, when they crawl a page, they're not looking at the structured data in a big chunk of structured data. They're ingesting it as tokens, just like they do the rest of the content on the page. And so if you have well-structured or well-optimized structured data, aren't you increasing the entity density, essentially the tokens, with all relevant tokens? Yes. If you think about that, if you're adding really thoroughly optimized structured data to a page, it's already going to reference the relevant entities as knows about, right? It's going to reference same as, which are validating data points, external page URLs that have accurate information published about that location. If it's same as attributes in local business schema, right? Area served, again, local business type schema. Area served is going to reference locations, cities, or towns that are within the service area. All of those are relevance points, relevance factors that even if ingested as tokens only, it's still increasing the number of tokens that are fully relevant to that particular product or service or location or combination of those things, if that makes sense. So by having well-optimized structured data, it can improve the relevance analysis of that page because there's more tokens that were all relevant. So again, but does structured data have a direct influence on AI search visibility? I don't think so. Again, that's my opinion, because it's logical to me that because it's more tokens that are relevant, it does influence it that way, but it's not the structured data itself because it's parsed out differently. It's not like the search engines do. You see what I'm saying? So hopefully that's clear.